Most people don't realize this. The wrong leather conditioner can actually dry out your seats, leave them greasy, or even crack the leather faster. I've seen it way too many times. People spend good money trying to protect their interior and end up doing the opposite. So in this video, I'm breaking down the ones that actually work, based on real use, so you don't waste your money or ruin your seats. And if you're into honest, real-world automotive tech reviews like this, make sure you're subscribed. I've also put the best deals in the description, and if you're not sure what fits your situation, drop a comment. I'll help you choose. Let's get into it. At number 5, Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This is one of those entry-level all-in-one products that combines cleaning and conditioning in a single formula. It's designed for convenience, with a cream-based application that spreads easily and works into the leather without needing multiple steps. You're getting UV protection built in, which helps prevent fading over time, and it's safe for most finished leather surfaces. The consistency is light, not overly thick, and it doesn't leave behind a heavy residue if you apply it properly. Now here's the real-world experience. If you just want something quick and easy for regular maintenance, this gets the job done. I've used it on daily drivers where the goal isn't perfection, just keeping the leather from drying out. It adds a bit of softness back and gives a subtle clean look without making the seats shiny, but it's not a deep conditioner. So if your leather is already dry or neglected, this won't fully bring it back. The drawback? It's more of a maintenance product than a restoration solution. Now if you want something with more conditioning power. At number 4, Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. This one is known for its deep conditioning ability. It's a thicker formula, almost oil-like, designed to penetrate deeper into the leather rather than just sitting on the surface. There are no unnecessary additives, no silicone, and it's meant to restore moisture to dry, aging leather. It works on a wide range of leather types, and a little goes a long way because of how concentrated it is. Here's where this really stands out. If your seats feel stiff or look dull, this is the kind of product that actually brings them back to life. I've used it on older interiors, and after letting it soak in, the leather feels noticeably softer and more flexible. This is what most people don't realize. Real conditioning takes time, and this does it properly. It's not something you rush. The downside? It takes longer to absorb and requires a bit more patience during application. But what if you want something faster and easier to use? At number 3, Chemical Guys SPI 103 Sprayable Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This one is all about convenience without completely sacrificing performance. It's a sprayable formula, which makes application quick and even, especially on larger surfaces like seats and door panels. You're getting both cleaning agents and conditioning properties in one, plus a formula that's safe for most modern leather finishes. The scent is mild, and it leaves a natural-looking finish rather than that overly glossy look some products create. After using this, the difference is obvious if you're maintaining a newer interior. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for regular upkeep. I've used it when I don't want to spend a lot of time detailing, and it still leaves the leather feeling clean and lightly conditioned. It's not as deep as something like Leather Honey, but that's not the point. This is about speed and ease. The drawback? It doesn't penetrate as deeply as dedicated conditioners. Now, if you're dealing with seriously dry leather, at number 2, Fiebing's Pure Neatsfoot Oil Leather Conditioner. This is old school. Pure Neatsfoot oil is known for its ability to deeply condition and restore heavily dried leather. There's no fancy branding here. It's a straightforward, highly effective formula that's been used for years in leather care. It soaks into the material, replenishing lost oils and helping prevent cracking. It's especially useful for older or heavily worn interiors that need more than just surface-level treatment. Here's where this really shines. Restoration. If your leather is dry, stiff, or starting to show signs of cracking, this can make a huge difference. I've used it on neglected seats, and after proper application, the leather becomes noticeably more flexible and less brittle. But you have to be careful. This is powerful stuff. The drawback? It can darken the leather slightly if over-applied, so you need to use it carefully. And finally, at number 1, Urban Forest Leather Care Conditioner. This one hits the sweet spot between performance and usability. You're getting a well-balanced formula that conditions, protects, and enhances the look of your leather without making it greasy. It's designed to be easy to apply, absorbs well, and works across a wide range of leather interiors. The finish it leaves is natural, not shiny, not sticky, just clean and well-maintained. Here's where this really dominates. Balance. After using this, the difference is obvious. The leather feels softer, looks better, and stays that way without constant reapplication. It's the kind of product you can use regularly without worrying about buildup or damage. I've used it on both newer and slightly worn interiors, and it consistently delivers solid results. The drawback? It's not as widely known, so some people overlook it. So here's the bottom line. If you just want something quick and simple, go with Weiman. If your leather needs deep conditioning, Leather Honey is a strong choice. For fast and easy maintenance, Chemical Guys works well. If you're dealing with heavily dried or aging leather, Fiebing's is the one to consider. But if you want the best all-around performance, something that balances ease of use, protection, and long-term results, Urban Forest is the one I'd go with. At the end of the day, it's not about picking the most expensive product. It's about using the right one for your leather's condition. Check the links in the description for the latest deals. And if you're not sure what your seats need, drop your car and the condition of your interior. I'll help you figure it out. And if you want more real experience-based car care advice, make sure you're subscribed.